Welcome students, we are still on sequence and series. Today we are going to do Wassce Private 2017 objective question number 6. Write down the 15th term of a sequence 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So here, let's see the sequence so that we learn how to write the 15th term of this sequence. So with this sequence, the first term is 1, 2, 3. Then we move on to the second term, which is 2, 3, 4. Then we move on to the third term, which is 3, 4, 5. So what will be the fourth term? Let's study the pattern of the sequence very carefully. So when you look at the sequence, we can see that the first term of the first sequence is 1, and the first term of the second sequence is 2, and the first term of the third sequence is 3. So this means that with this sequence, the fourth term, if we have to write the fourth term, automatically the first term is going to be 4. The U4 is going to be 4. This is U3, then this is U2, and this is U1. So it means that when you follow the pattern, it means that the fifth term, the first term is going to be 5, and on the sixth term, the first term is going to be 6. Because look at the sequence, the first term here is 1, and look at the second term, the first term here is 2, and look at the third term, the first term here is 3. Okay, so it means if the fourth sequence has been given, the first term will be 4, and when the fifth term is given, the first term will be 5, and when the sixth term is given, the first term will be 6. Okay, let's move on. And when you look at the sequence, each term the succeeded one is being proceeded by 1. So meaning from 1 we move on to 2, we move on to 3, meaning the common differences among the sequence here is what? 1. Let's go to the second sequence. So this one also, the after 2, the common difference is what? 1, because 2 plus 1 give us the 3, and 3 plus 1 give us the 4. And when you go to the third term, the first term is 3, we add 1 to it to get the next term, which is 4. We add another 1 to get the next term, which is what? 5. So this means that the 15th term, this means that the 15th term, the first term will be 15. So it means that on the 15th term, so U15 is going to be, the first term is going to be 15, because the next number or the next term is being succeeded by addition of 1. The common difference is 1. So the next term is going to be 16, and the next term is going to be what? 17. So therefore 15th term of the sequence, 15th term of a sequence is 15, 16 and 17. This will be the 15th term of the sequence we were looking for. So we follow the pattern, then we check the common differences or the common ratio among them. But this one is arithmetic progression. We check the first term of each term. So the first term of the first term is 1, the second term, the first term is 2, and the third term, the first term is 3. But each term is being increased by 1. That is why we got the 15th term to the first term to be 15, and the next term will be 16, and the last term will be 17. Bye, have a nice day. Welcome students, we are still on sequence and series. Today we are going to tackle Wassce June 2017 objective question number 38, and this is the question: find the sixth term of the sequence 2/3, 7/15, 4/5. 15, and so on. So we have 2 over 3, comma, 7 over 15, comma, 4 over 15. So here, there is a sequence, and the sequence here is AP. So the sequence 2 over 3, 7 over 15, 4 over 15, and so on is AP, arithmetic progression, because it's having a common difference of, so 7 over 15 minus 2 over 3. Let's find the LCM. 15. So here we have it to 7 minus 10. Then we got it to be negative 3 over 15, which is the same as negative 1 over 5. The same thing when you check the common differences between these two numbers. When you check it, 4 over 15 minus 7 over 15. So because it's having a common, so it's going to be 4 minus 7. We got it to be negative 3 over 15, which you call negative 1 over 5. So therefore, the common differences is going to be negative 1 over 5. Then the first term is what? 2 over 3. 2 over 3. But the question says we should find the system. So this means that the n, the system, the n is going to be what? 6. We are going to find the system. So here we have it to be un under AP. Finding the n term of a sequence is giving us a plus bracket of the term we are finding minus 1 times the common differences. So we have u6, whereby we are finding the system. It's going to be the first term, which is 2 over 3 plus bracket of 6 minus 1, then all times negative 1 over 5. So you have u6 equal 2 over 3 plus 5 times negative 1 over 5. So we have u6, the system being equal to 2 over 3 plus here the 5 will cancel this 5, and here we are going to be left with 1, so times negative 1. So we have u6 to be equal to 2 over 3 minus 1. So here we are finding the system, so we find the LCM, and the LCM is what? 3. So 3 goes into itself 1, and 1 times 2 will give us what? 2. And here 1 goes into 3, 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. So you get it to be negative 1 over 3. You get it to be negative 1 over 3. So therefore the system is negative 1 over 3. So this will be the system of the sequence. The system is going to be negative 1 over 3.